Right, so I got a 2013 Honda Odyssey. This thing has, let me just cycle this through first. It's got 238,000 kilometers. And this customer's complaint is a loud noise coming from the engine. So I'm just gonna do this. I haven't pulled it in, but I did start it, and it's making this loud rattling noise. I don't know if you can hear it. Right, I'll bring you down underneath the hood. But this is very common if you've never done your timing belt before. It's due at 165,000 kilometers, or for you guys in the US, 100,000 miles. And what happens is that tensioner for that timing belt tensioner, or the pulley, it either leaks all the hydraulic fluid out of it, or it wears a hole through the part that the piston of the tensioner pushes up against to put tension on your timing belt, and it wears a little groove, and that fully extends the tensioner. So how I tell is it sounds like a rod knock. Oh, gotta focus. So yeah, if you have a Honda Odyssey or anything with like a V6, the Honda, so if you have anything, any vehicle like the Honda Odyssey, Pilot, Ridgeline, or even the Acura RDX, MDX with the J series motor that has a timing belt, this is probably for you. So here I'm gonna start it up and go underneath the hood and show you how I tell that it's has a bad timing belt tensioner and pulley. So yeah, if you can hear that, that's not rod knock. That's just the timing belt tensioner. I have small arms, so I can fit my arm down there and just put my hand on that tensioner, and you can feel it. You can feel it like tapping. And usually that's usually what that noise is coming from. So I hope that helps you guys if you have your Honda V6 engine that is making this noise. Thank God for that cotter pin. Actually, I can turn it by hand. Yeah, good thing for that cotter pin that was there. It prevented that nut from backing off. So I'm just doing an inspection. So I tightened it, and it's yeah, no more play. But check out the tires. I ended up doing like a quick inspection, make sure everything else is okay, and noticed that tie rod was super loose. And yeah, it wore out the tires. Like pretty much it was wearing out the sidewall. I don't know if I got the footage for it, but I had to do it quick because I gotta bring other cars in to work on. Yeah, hopefully I get the job, but yeah, definitely I had to do a quick inspection on it at least. When it's making that noise, don't keep driving it. So yeah, hope that helps you. I'm just in another car because we're super busy, and I gotta grab another car and bring it in the shop. But I also did a quick inspection on it, and yeah, I guess that tie rod is super loose. The nut backed off. Luckily there's a cotter pin there to prevent it from completely backing off. And yeah, so never had that timing belt done, so yeah. But anyways, thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. I gotta bring this car back in. So I kind of apologize for all the terrible footage that I get, but when you're super busy at work, it's kind of hard to record anything. But at the end of the day, before I left, I asked the advisor what's going on with that Honda Odyssey that's making all that noise, and apparently the customer came and picked it up, and he didn't want anything repaired. But you know, at least I tightened that tie rod before it left, and at least that is good. And yeah, I guess that's it.